So let's talk a little about this elif. Firstly, I want to have an example about this. For example, grade is equal to integer. We have integer input. Let's have an input. Enter your score. How much score you have. Student, for example, if there is a student want to show his or her grade, so whether he or she has gotten A, B, C, D or F. F is obviously fail. So in line number 3, it takes a score from the user. We have assigned this, which is integer, type integer into grade, and after that want to have if grade is greater or equal to 90 colon print A, obviously elif. So here we could use if grade is greater or equal to 80 print B. So is also correct, but we do not use here if. Once again, we have used once here, so here I want to use elif. So once again elif, I want to use elif grade is equal to, grade is if elif grade is greater or equal to 70 print C. Once again I want to use if elif grade is greater or equal to, I've written 70 here, I want to write 60 colon print D. So this is the last one. This is the last statement which we want to write here. In the last statement, in previous video I was told that if is an else statement as well. So if we want to write if grade is equal to 90, if it is not equal to 90, what it does? It should print this and that. So here I used elif. If grade is not 90, greater or equal to 90, see and check whether it is greater or equal to 80. If the condition is true, print B. If not, elif check other line whether it is true in 70 or not, or whether it is true in 60 or not. So after 60 we use else statement here at the end. Else print, obviously it is if or fail. So now I want to print this. See here, it is completely a program which I have used if, elif, else, all of them in one program. So now I want to print this. When I print this, I use command line elif.py. See here, so now I want to write 70. What it prints? It must print C, I think. C. The grade is C. So once again I want to print. If again I want to give a score to this, I want to give 65, 66 for example. D. Once again I want to run this program and I want to give 50. If you are fail, sorry.